Hi guys, today we are back with an interesting question. X power root x equal root x power x. So logarithm x power root x equal logarithm root x power x. According to this point, we have equal in logarithm a. So root x logarithm x equal x logarithm root x. According to this point, we have root x logarithm x equal root x logarithm root x. We deletion both sides together. According to this point, we have logarithm x equal root x logarithm x power 1 over 2. So logarithm x equal 1 over 2 root x logarithm x. So root x over 2 equal logarithm x over logarithm x equal 1. So root x equal 2 root x power 2 equal 2 power 2. So x equal 4. Good luck.